Today we're going to program a simple job on the Forstner nuSLIT. So we're going to go from our manual home screen, up here where it says manual, we're going to go to auto, and this is the screen that we're going to see. We will touch the number 1 job, and this is where I'm going to program how long I want my piece to be. So we're going to say we want a 12-inch long piece. We want 1 time. If I wanted to do multiple pieces, I would 4 or 5, whatever I want to put. And then I'm going to come down here to my cut list, and this is how wide the pieces are going to be. So I'm going to program normal trim, so like 6.25. 6.25. We'll do a 13-inch piece for like some ridge cap or something. And then my leftover piece will be 1.67 inches long. We programmed a job on our Forstner nuSLIT. We did a 12-inch long piece. And then we programmed it to 6 1/4. This is what we got. And then we did another 12-inch piece, 6 1/4. And then the next piece we did was 13 inches wide. 12 inches long still. And then again, 13 inches wide, 12 inches long. And then our last piece was 3 inches, 12 inches long still. So like these 6 1/4s you can use for anything from like J-trim, you know, small trim pieces. Your 13-inch pieces can be used for a lot of different things. Small ridge caps, you can do a small corner post, panels, whatever you want to do. You just, however wide you need the piece to be for your sedan folder to fold.